So welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna unboxing another stuff. This is from Google. I got the Google Cloud platform. So they just send me the gift or the reward because I have already finished all the classes on the Google Cloud platform. uh you know the Google has a program that anyone can learn, or anyone who wants to learn about Google Cloud on their platform. So uh usually they're gonna get some nice swag, like a gift from what you've been learning. So today is the day I got the switch. I got the swag. I got a gift. So what's inside the box? Let's see it. Let's see what's in the box. So this is the, it's like the greeting, I guess. And wow, god, we got the hat, Google Cloud, and get a water bottle, Google Cloud, and some cool set. Oh, nicely. I don't know what is this, but it's totally impactful. We got some other set. What it is, I don't know. But the main of this gift is the backpack that I got free from Google. It looks amazing. So this is gonna be the foldable laptop stand, and this is the stationery set, I guess. Yeah. It's a book, something, and a ball pen. It's really great, and I got this for free. Thank you so much for Google, especially Google Cloud. Thanks for this great event. I'm waiting for another event this year. Thank you so much. So that's it for today unboxing. I hope this is gonna be, give you an information or something. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and see you. Bye bye.